So, hello students. Today we are going to learn chapter number 9, that is some applications of trigonometry part 2. Yesterday we have learned about the introduction to this chapter, that where we can make use of this trigonometry. Okay. Now today let us solve some more examples based on this concept. Okay. So now here we have our first example. It is given that a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. So, as per the requirement, figure is given over here. So, let us consider that this AB is the height of the pole and this AC is the 20-meter long rope which is tied to the ground at point C. Then now, further it is given that find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. Now, this one is our rope. If it is tied over here, so with this ground level, it is making an angle of 30 degree. Okay. Now, with this given information, we have to find the height of the pole, that is AB. Okay. So, let us solve it. So, first we have to mention that what we have considered. So, let AC be the length of the rope, it can be seen in figure, and AB be the height of the pole. Okay. Now, triangle ABC, since the pole is present over here, so this pole will make an angle of 90 degree with the ground level. Okay, it means that they are perpendicular to each other. Now if they are perpendicular, then this triangle ABC becomes a right angle triangle. Okay, so and it is right angle at point B. Now if it is right angle at point B, then the side opposite to this B, that is AC, will become hypotenuse. Okay, and now we can make use of, yes, trigonometric ratios. So now for this angle 30, this side AB is the opposite side. Okay, this side is opposite side and this side is hypotenuse. Okay, so now we want to find what? The value of the opposite side. So we want a ratio that is opposite upon hypotenuse. Now for this angle, what ratio you will get as opposite upon hypotenuse? So we know that sine theta is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay, so that we will mention over here, that we know sine theta. Now, instead of theta, we are having the angle that is 30. So, sine 30 equals to opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay. Now, next, what we have to do? Now, we need the value of a sine 30. What is value of sine 30? So that we can get from this table. Let us learn it. So now in this table, all the values are given. Okay, we want to find the value of sine 30. So here angle sine is present and here 30. So sine 30 is how much? It is 1 upon 2. Okay, so now we'll make use of this value over here. Okay, so now in next step, what you will get? Sine 30. So its value is 1 upon 2 is equal to, now in the figure, opposite and hypotenuse. So which side is opposite? AB, and hypotenuse is AC. So we will get here AB upon AC. Now we don't know the value of AB, but we know the value of AC. Okay, what is the value of AC? So it is 20 meter. Okay, so by substituting that value, we get 1 upon 2 equals to 1 upon 2 equals to AB upon 20. Now in next step, we'll change the side of this 20, so it will multiply on the other side, that is, it will go to the numerator. So in next step, we get 20 upon 2 equals to AB. Therefore, AB equals to 10. Now what is AB? AB is nothing but the height of the pole. So finally, the height of the pole is 10 meter. Okay. Now let us solve one more example. Now in this example, it is given that the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, is 30 degree. We have to find the height of the tower. So let us consider as per the question, this one is our required figure. Now here, let AB be the height of the tower. Now this is foot of the tower. From this foot of the tower, at a distance of at a distance of 30 meter, point C is present. From this point C, if we look at the top of the tower, okay, so now if you are looking at the top of the tower, so which angle will be formed? Angle of elevation will be formed over there. Okay, so that angle is how much? So angle is 30 degree. So now we are given with a condition that a tower is present. From the foot of the tower at a distance of 30 meter, a point is present. From this point, if we look at the top of the tower, then the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Okay, now with this given information, we have to find the height of the tower. That is, we have to find the value of AB. Again, same condition. So first we have to mention. So let AB be the height of the tower and BC be the distance between the foot of the tower and the given point. Okay. Then now, since tower is present over here, so it will make an angle of 90 degree with the ground level. BC is our ground level. So now you will get that triangle ABC. This triangle ABC is right angle at point B. So if it is right angle at point B, then we can make use of trigonometric ratios. But now the condition is that which trigonometric ratio we should use. So look at what we have to find. We have to find the tau. This is unknown value for us. Okay. Now for this angle, this side is opposite and this side is adjacent. Okay. So first let us mention it. This side is opposite and this side is adjacent. Now, if you want to find opposite, so what is the ratio for opposite upon adjacent? So the ratio is tan. Okay. So angle is also given. So what we will write now? Therefore, tan 30 equals to. Now, what is the ratio of tan 30? Opposite upon adjacent. So tan 30 equals to opposite upon adjacent. That is now which side is opposite? So AB is opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. So we have written here tan 30 equals to AB upon BC. Now what is the value of BC over here? So BC is 30, AB we don't know. So in next step we will write AB is as it is, BC is 30. Now tan 30, how we got this value? So we got that value from this table. Okay. So now tan of 30 degrees, how much? 1 upon root 3. Okay. So in next step, what we are getting? Therefore, 1 upon root 3 equals to AB upon 30. Now, we will keep this AB on the same side, remaining all the numbers on the other side. So in next step, we will get, therefore, 30 upon AB, sorry, 30 upon root 3 equals to AB. Now remember that here, denominator is an irrational number. So we can rationalize the denominator over here. How to rationalize the denominator? So we will multiply this by what? Root 3 and divide also by root 3. So we will get it in this way. 30 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3 equals to AB. Now this root 3 into root 3 will become 3. Remaining will be as it is. So we get 30 root 3 upon 3 equals to AB. Now we can make some cancellation over here. 3 ones are 3 tens are. Okay. So finally what do we get? That AB equals to 10 root 3, that is height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. Okay. So in this way you have to solve examples. This much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.